Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $2.0606. Okay, and what you can see, this is a 15 minutes chart where you will understand that how the price of natural gas is moving. After making this particular half around $2.764, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and if you look at this particular downfall, what we have seen, that this downfall, as soon as it is moving out of 15 minutes chart, that means if it breaking a level of 15 minutes high and low, it is going further down. See, a low is break, a further fall we can see 15 minutes further. Okay, and if you go this particular range, all these is a 15 minutes candle. As you can see, there is a continuous downfall. And if you look at this particular chart from 23rd, for today, this was the range where the price of natural gas is moving. As soon as it breaks a range of $2.621, it has made a low of around 5.99. okay, after that it's trying to move upside. You can see a green opposite hammer is forming. Okay, so probability can be high if this level sustain a further upside we can see. If you go on a device chart, you will see very clearly that it is trying to go upside. Okay, because it has already formed a swing at this particular level. Okay, suppose, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go on the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Look at this particular chart, a opposite U pattern is forming. Okay, and if you go as per that, you can see that this is the zone where the price of natural gas is continuously on the downside. Okay, since 4-5 days, only 2 days we have seen the green candles are forming, and chances will be high that if this level didn't sustain, it can move further down towards $2.595. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, it will touch a level of around $2.566. okay, as soon as it moves below this particular level, it will cross a level of around $2.552. that is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will go further low, and chances of touching a level of 2.521 is there. Again I repeat, chances are very high it will go further down. Okay, as soon as it move below this level, we can see a level of $2.595, and from there we can see a level of $2.569. okay, so once started falling below this level, it will cross further down, and chances of going towards a level of 2.529 is there. This 2.529 is a weak support, so chances are high it will go further low, and a probability of touching a level of around 2.493 is there. Okay, after 2.56 we can see a level of 2.493, that is already being a weak resistance support, so chances are high it will touch a level of $2.76. okay, so as soon as it moves below a level of 2.549, we can see a level of $2.476, and then a further downfall we can see, it will touch a level of $2.424. okay, keep that in mind. As soon as it started moving out of this zone, chances of touching a level of $2.424 is there, and from there a probability of touching 2.412, and if it fall below this level, we can see a level of $2.434 to a level of around 2.353. okay, and then a probability of moving further low we can see, because if it moves out of this zone, because this zone we have not seen since June of 2023, so chances will be high, as I've already explained you, that if the price move out of a particular zone, then a further upside we can see. If it fall below this zone, a further fall we can see, and it is trying to go further down. okay, and chances are high that if it moves below a level of around $2.546, it will cross this particular zone, and a probability of touching 2.476 is there, and if it moves below this level, we can see a level of $2.427. okay, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.305, and a further fall towards 2.2, and then further down we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me up with the mail ID is also in the description. Understand, the market is for natural gas, and always the market is uncertain. Okay, if you are thinking that it will go upside or downside, as per you it will not go. As per the market will move upside or downside. Okay, it will not make a sharp fall, but it will not depends on you, it will depend on the market as well as what event is coming. Okay, only in the case of event or a breakout is happening or something is happening, that is where a fall or upside we can see a sharp. Otherwise, how it moves, it hold for some time, that is how it goes upside, in the same way it comes down. Okay, so always remember with your always set your SL and trailing SL, so you can save your capital as well as your profit. So suppose if the price sustain this level, because if it form or if it sustain this level, chances are very high it will touch a level of around $2.63. Okay, and if it moves above this particular level, we can see it will touch a level of $2.645. Okay, as soon as it sustain above this particular level, chances are very high it will cross a level of $2.645. That is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that particular zone, and a probability of going towards 2.708 is there. Okay, and once it started moving upside, you can see it will go further high, and a probability of crossing a level of 2.768 is there. That is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will touch a level of around $2.826. Okay, so if the price move above this particular level, chances of moving further high, we can see it will touch a level of around $2.874, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 2.916 is there. Okay, so once the price sustain above this level, then we can see it will touch a level of $3.503 and the further upside. So keep it in mind, as soon as it sustain above a level of $2.768, a further upside we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've got the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.